Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a veed account for yourself. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser and go to Google. In Google, search veed and click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of veed.io from which you can edit your videos quite easily. Go ahead and click sign up or login, and then it will lead you to this page where you can write down your personal infos and start to sign up for veed. So you can write down what you are using veed for. You want to write what the purpose of your videos are for, so there are options of clicking it. Go ahead and click, and then it's written how many people are there in your company, so you can choose whatever you want or how many people there are in your company, and it asks you what brings you here today, and you can just click I am just exploring or I need to make a video now. So you can click this after reading it, how much videos you'll make per month. So you can click these, and then you can start writing your team name. So go ahead and write your team name and press continue, or else if you want to invite collaborators, go ahead and write the email address of your collaborators and press continue. You can invite up to 10 people in your team at once. So after writing your team name, press continue. Now you can go ahead and choose the plans. One is free, the another one is basic, the next one's pro, and the best one's business. So you can go ahead and purchase these if you want, or else if you want the free one, just go ahead and click get started in the free one. It will lead you to the veed workspace. So this is how you create a veed account for yourself. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.